No.
Last player standing.
Garage.
One enemy remaining.
She's low, I think.
You have your ult.
Good job.
Okay, my bad. I'm
Better.
just gaming.
Revealing area.
This
One
one's
enemy remaining.
Nice.
I have turret in 4.
Thrifty.
You're nuts.
Blind it. You're better.
Y'all are so crispy.
Almost as crispy as your mic. What the fuck?
Yo, what's that?
What the fuck?
You guys heard that, right? It's coming to my mic. You're better.
Y'all are so crispy.
Almost as crispy as your mic. What the f?
Yo, what's that?
What the fuck?
You guys heard that, right? It's coming to my mic. Oh my god, I didn't realize.
Backed up.
I knew I should have bought a Vandal.
Swear to God, I'm hearing something, man. Yo, can I get a virus?
Yo, you kinda sus.
Yo.
I can buy.
Oh my god.
Dude, I swear to God, I'm hearing something, man. Yo, can I get a virus?
Yo, you kinda sus.
Yo.
Thanks.
Oh my god.
Placing alarm bot. One enemy remaining.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
On the team.
Let's go.
Yo, where's the contracts at?
Need a drop. Can I get a drop?
Behind you, Luka.
And then this guy, yep.
One enemy remaining.
Oh my God.
Shit.
Oh my God.
Fun.
Oh
we got
my
legends
God.
on the team.
Let's go. Flash sight.
Nah, just be patient. Wait.
Yeah, I'll wait.
You're gonna blind CT at the end of this. You're gonna blind through CT, okay?
Okay.
30 seconds left.
Oh, dude.
Last player standing.
That's why, man. That's why we wait. That's why we fucking wait.
This man said okay and
He just okay and he
Last
jumps
round
out,
in
dude,
the
like
half.
as if they can't just still fucking be there.
No.
Last player
Bro.
standing.
That was a really good fucking omen blind. I'm erect.
You win these. I've seen you win these.
One enemy remaining.
Are you cheating? Are you cheating? He's the best player in the game. Klay,
Wow.
holy fuck, man. That honestly, I've seen like, oh my god, that looked fucking good. That 100%. That literally just looked like good spray control.
That guy was lucky you ran it.
Oh my
It looked
god.
like he was cheating there. I'm not gonna cap.
I don't know what to tell you, man. I mean, I fucking called it out. I literally just said, "Are you cheating?"
What call?
That was a really good fucking omen blind.
Oh,
I'm erect.
you win these. I've seen you win these.
One enemy remaining.
I've seen you win these, bro.
Are you cheating? Are you cheating?
Oh no!
Klay, holy fuck, man. That honestly, I've seen like, oh my god,
That was lucky.
that looked fucking good. That 100%. That literally just looked like that looked like
That
good spray
guy,
control.
that guy was lucky he ran out of bullets.
Oh my god.
There's 3 there, man!
I blinded them.
He's on the left.
One more.
Get him, he's 1 HP, 1 HP, thank you.
One enemy remaining.
I went through showers already. I went through showers.
Call bot coming back.
Yeah, there comes.
I got it, man.
Hang on, if you could just wait 3 more seconds. Okay,
Oh, yeah,
now
get that part.
I get my alarm bot back, baby.
One default.
Killed.
Nice.
One enemy remaining.
This guy's short. He has. I went through showers already.
Fucking
I went through showers already. He has to
Cover
be short.
going out.
All the way around.
You see.
Yeah, here comes.
You see.
That man booked it, dude.
Hang on, if you could just wait 3 more seconds. Okay, now. I get my alarm bot back, baby.
I'm gonna flash, look away.
One enemy remaining.
I'm I'll ping him, ping him. He's out. Nice. Gucci.
Enemy spotted.
Last player standing. One enemy remaining.
You're so good, dude.
Merson, I'm gonna smoke y'all short. Guys, smoke short.
Probably afraid.
Jet's thing.
Running away? So long? They're going 2-2, I think?
Oh, yeah, that's a lot there.
Come B.
One
One
A.
long, one
Oh,
A.
wait, I can smoke long, smoke long.
One hookah, one long.
Enemy
Last side's
remaining.
hookah.
Reload him.
He's danked, I'm pretty sure. Good job, GG.
Reloading. Get out of the win.
go!
Eating this motherfucking fire.
Bro, what the heck?
GG, bro.